for BCA students. We'll discuss a real life project in which we designed boards, radium boards, sticker boards. Boards were prepared. These are SVG, scalable vector graphics drawings, and these are simple fonts. And again, this is an application of our computer works. We can design some pamphlets also, and the pamphlet here shows the text as well as some photos of the resort, and these can be prepared in, as you can see, in Microsoft Word. And let us start discussing one of the works that were done during this project. We prepared the menu. The menu of this hotel resort was made completely in Word. So what was done in this menu was simple. It is just a simple Word document which was edited up to the mark where it was accepted as a hotel menu. So the details you can keep updating, but the professional touch-up look needs to be given to it after lot of reviews and a lot of, maybe sometimes you need to have an advice by the stakeholders, from the stakeholders. So let us start understanding what have we done with this. If you click on this, it is clearly a picture, and that picture has been can be inserted by going to the insert button and selecting a picture whichever you want. You can pull down into its work area. Suppose I want to insert a picture, I'll just do insert and see another picture has come. Let us press Ctrl Z and remove that. So this is good picture that can be found and edited using any SVG software. So SVG is not a part of this lab, so later on that. Regarding the Word document, there is this border line you can see. How do we get that border line? To get this border line, what we will do is we will just go for page layout and select the page borders, and then you can change the page, how the page border looks like. So this also looks suitable, and in fact it looks good enough for me to save another version. So whenever you are saving, keep updating the versions that you have with you, and that's how you keep a copy of options that are available. So page borders now you have known. Another thing is page color. You can go with different page colors of your liking. You can go to the page layout tab and change the colors. Since this menu belongs to a place where national park is there, wildlife and such kind of outskirts is there, so the color that suits to it is green. That's what we ended up with. And further, after doing the page color, you can look at final the final product that is ready on the first page. If you double click on this, you will see that headers and footers are missing. So we don't have headers and footers because we have checked this mark, and this mark says that the first page has different header and footer from the rest of the document. And if we go to the header section, here we have the header part. We can access the header part in the insert tab, go to edit header, and then we can change what we want here. Similarly, if we go to the footer, which is at the bottom, we can decide what is the width, what width do we want. So we can go for edit footer, and then we can place whatever content that we intend to place there. So I have written on each page, I have written the name of the resort. You can go with page numbers also. You can you can go in the references tab, or where did we see? Okay, in the design tab, go for page numbers and insert page numbers at the bottom of the page. So if you want page numbers, they can be replaced by page numbers also. But again, it is up to your liking what you want there. So think we went with the name of the hotel resort, and then next, what else did we put into this? Other than headers, then we have populated the text, the menu. Now this is ready-made, available. These sim these are arts, shapes. We placed them and then we colored them to our liking and then used them to give headings. Now after these headings, we have also got tables. So these are the tables in which we have nicely aligned the text. So if we want to look into the tables, we select it, highlight it, right click it and go for table properties. You can go for borders and shading, and now here you see why this type of lines are there. We can change the lines to notice that these tables were designed by the table settings. So that's that. We have got tables, we have got pre is available, the pre-made these objects, shapes, different types. You have an option, or you want, you can draw and insert shapes in here. I think apart from this, then we have a background also. We can insert a background picture also. So get a picture and insert it in the back. So you can see the cutlery dimmed, a little bit dimmed off, but that's what we are using as the background of this page. So if you play around with this, you can have page numbers, you can insert headers, footers, you can insert pictures, you can go for page layout, and you can go for watermark. So if you have a watermark like this, it will change to this. But what we have chosen is, we have chosen a different watermark. So you can go for custom watermark and insert a watermark of your liking. So you can select a picture and apply it as a watermark. If you insert it and apply and press OK, the background, you may notice, has changed. So this is how we came up with this cutlery watermark in the rear side. And then this is all that was done in this menu, and the menu was pretty much ready to be printed. So if we see the print version of the menu, it looks quite okay to go for the hotel resort, and it clearly displays the the available, whatever the food items that are available, with the prices and little bit of details also. So that's the menu that we designed in Word. So hopefully with those small, only as with a bag of small skills, you can design a good menu. You can go further, you can design pamphlets also, and further if you go for radium stickers, you can go for this also, board signs and other cutouts. So that's, thank you.